Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Carol Turley. I work at Plymouth Marine Laboratory in the UK. We're a research organisation on the role of the ocean in climate change and the impact of the ocean on climate change. Well, we have a blue planet. It's what makes Earth different from all the other planets in our solar system and beyond. And we pay very little attention to the role of the ocean. And actually, it's hugely important. It produces much of the oxygen that we breathe. It also takes up nearly 30% of the carbon dioxide that we're emitting. And this causes the ocean to become more acidic, because when carbon dioxide reacts with water, it reduces the measure of acidity, which is pH. And the other thing that the ocean does is that it's absorbing already over 90% of the heat produced by greenhouse gases. So without the ocean, what you're seeing on land and in the atmosphere would be far worse. But this is at a cost to the ocean. At the moment, if we keep doing what we're doing, the business as usual scenario, the air temperature will be around 4 degrees warmer. The sea temperature will be at the surface will be about 3 degrees warmer by the end of the century. And the pH of the ocean, the acidity of the ocean, will be 120% higher. So these are massive changes. And this is really a very high risk strategy for ocean ecosystems. So these INDCs, these intended national contributions, are a really great first step. But we need to make this even stronger, because at the moment these INDCs mean around a 3 degree warming, a 2 degree of the air on average, a 2 degree warming, over 2 degree warming for the sea surface, and around a 0.3, around a 70% increase in acidity. But if we ratchet up our emissions reductions and go for a Paris Agreement goal of 1.5, then there will be just over a 1 degree warming of the ocean and just over 0.1, around a 40% change in acidity. So the risk will be far less to ocean ecosystems. There still will be risks, and some, like coral reefs, will be high risk, but it will make a huge difference to the ocean ecosystems. Well, it's really important because it determines life on the planet. It produces oxygen. It's half of the global primary productivity happens in the ocean. And so many people depend on the ocean for what it does for society, such as protection of our coasts from storms and waves, tourism, food, pharmaceuticals, education, aesthetics. You know, it's hugely important, and it distributes heat around the planet, and it controls our weather, our temperature, our rainfall. It's just massively important, and it truly is what makes life different. And so we should listen to the ocean. And at the moment, the large part of the ocean doesn't have anyone to speak for it.